With the Greenbuilt building, I mean, what we were looking for was a long-term return on the building and to assist the taxpayers so this wasn't an expensive building to operate and maintain for future generations. This was one of the projects that was listed in the plan to go green for the city of Oconomowoc. And it was very important to us for long-term maintenance as well as the initial design.
Okay, we have two dedicated washing and dryer units in the apparatus bay, and one is a very obvious red color. That one is for cleaning contaminated laundry and EMS equipment. In the past, we've been forced to use one washing machine, which of course has the possibility of cross-contamination. The other feature of that is that it's heated with the solar hot water heater off the roof. But now with the hot water system we have, the solar hot water system we have, we alleviate that problem and allows us to not only have the benefit of the decontamination, but to do it in a cost-effective and energy-saving manner.
On the outside of the building, you'll notice the brick feature, but also what you'll notice is the natural land and stone. And that was from quarries right here in Waukesha County. We wanted to keep the stone from the area so it was as natural to this area as possible.
The Plunkett system is an exhaust extraction system for the diesel-powered fire apparatus and ambulances. What it does is allow us to attach a hose to the apparatus that as soon as the apparatus starts a fan system and a collection system that draws the diesel fumes out of the apparatus bay, out of the fire station, expels them outside. This not only creates a cleaner environment in the station, but it makes it a much healthier environment for the people working here.
So what we did is we made use of the natural sunlight here on the site, and as the sun moves around in the horizon during the day, it lights up the general office area and the watch room where most of the people are working. Also, what it does is on the building itself, you can see some of the overhangs on the front of the building so that when the sun is at its highest point in the horizon and the heat is the greatest, it would also act as a cooling agent for the inside of the building. Throughout the inside of the building, also on the interior, it's all LED lighting, and we wanted that for not only cost savings, but also for the people that work out of the building here. We have both uplighting and downlighting so that we would reduce the stress on the worker.
The entire building is set up with high-efficiency lighting. There's some LED, some high-efficiency fluorescent, and various other features. Also some lighting tubes up on the upper mezzanine to allow daylight in where normally you wouldn't have it, and can eliminate the need for electrical lighting during the daytime hours.
As you go around the building, some of the grasses on the outlying area of the building are natural prairie grass, so there's less maintenance, so we're not using the fuel for the cutters and the mowers and stuff to keep that down. Those will grow up and be a natural area. And then on the east side of the building, off the training section, we do have a rain garden also built in.
We worked closely with other city staff to meet with the architects numerous times and go over the various features that we wanted to see in the facility. The architect's part was to bring in ideas on making it a green facility, and then that was capitalized on by our utility director, Dennis Benarski.
We worked hand in hand with utilities to make sure that we were going to be using the LED lighting and a lot of the conservation features. We wanted those built in up front, so we consulted with their engineering staff and the utility director, and he was able to point us in the right direction to make sure we got the most energy efficient building possible.
It's filling a need for the city to provide emergency services to the southern half of the community. The new station will be a shared facility from the onset, but our departments have worked closely together for the last 15 years with automatic mutual aid. This is just a natural progression in our level of cooperation between the two departments, whereby we'll be able to more directly support each other in emergency and non-emergency operations.
We believe that this building over the next several generations is not only going to save the taxpayer money, but also save energy and conserve energy for our future generations.